We are the founders of Planet Computers, and innovation is at the heart of our company. Earlier this year, we successfully delivered our Gemini PDA product to more than 7,000 backers who supported our mission to kickstart a new mobile computing revolution. We're excited to say that the revolution continues and that we're extending the range of Planet devices with the Cosmo Communicator, our new flagship device.
In creating this device, we tried to make it truly an all-in-one communicator, the only device that you need to carry around with you. It's built to be an amazing phone, a wonderful camera, and a superb pocket computer.
Hi, I'm Martin Bridiford. When I designed the original Gemini, I was looking to make it as slim and sleek as possible. We got fantastic feedback from the user community. So we've introduced a whole bunch of new features into the new device. We've got a fingerprint sensor on the outside which enables you to hold it in portrait mode. You can send and receive calls from the same smart button. It's got a 24 megapixel camera, and when you open it up, it's got a backlit keyboard for when you want to use it in dark places. We hope you like it.
Hey, what are you waiting for? Go and quickly subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the like button.
Shell-based mobile communicator with an integrated keyboard. The Cosmo features dual displays. It features an external colour touchscreen display for easy phone call control and notifications. Tucked away inside the beautiful and sleek award-winning clamshell design is an ultra-wide 6-inch colour touchscreen display, providing ample space to create on the move with a great tactile PDA keyboard that is fully integrated into the device. When open, the innovative clamshell also acts as a support of the device, allowing you to type comfortably. Cosmo's newly designed backlit keyboard allows you to comfortably work at night or in dark spaces such as on long plane journeys without the need of external lighting. The Cosmo Communicator also comes fully equipped with a great 24 megapixel camera. To take a selfie or for a quick snap, you can operate the camera, zoom and flash without opening the clamshell. We have selected a great worldwide LTE phone modem to make the Cosmo a truly amazing phone, fast enough to be able to handle dual SIM 4G connections for both phone calls and data communications. It also features Bluetooth, NFC and Wi-Fi data communication. Cosmo's innovative toggle switch provides superior security for the device with an integrated fingerprint sensor and call answer buttons, avoiding accidentally accepting calls when the device is in your pocket or handbag. The Cosmo is based on the powerful MediaTek P70 8-core processor plus separate GPU and AI processors. It has a massive 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of flash memory, ample storage for today's power users. Cosmo's large 4,220 mAh battery provides ample power for all-day and even 2-day usage. It is designed to run the latest Android 9 operating system and all your favourite apps, as well as Linux-based operating systems with a multi-boot option. You can easily run Microsoft Office for Android apps, as well as Planet's own PDA software suite, including the Agenda calendaring app, Notes app for note-taking and dictation, the Data database app, and our new email app, Airmail. Cosmo allows you to work in restricted spaces comfortably, on planes, on trains, in coffee bars. You can also hold the Cosmo and use it with ease whilst in the car, standing up, or on the bus. It's the only device you need to carry, and small enough to fit in your pocket. It's a true all-in-one replacement for both your mobile phone and your laptop. We hope that you like our new device and that you can help us make it a reality.
We hope you like our new device.
Please support us on Indiegogo.
Please don't quit. It took a lot of time to make this video, so please help me. You can support me by subscribing my channel, and also please share this video. Thank you and love you guys for all your support.